In the last one, we've actually logged in and changed some stuff down here in the header, and we displayed some drop down menu with the name and everything, and we did the logout, and we destroyed our sessions. But actually, if we go up here, actually if we log in, we log in again, click log in. If we go 1 2 3, like choose any other email that you like and log in, you can see that we got here and everything is working fine. But actually, if we go over here and go auth/login, or actually register the pages that we prevented, if we click, we can still go to the login page, which is just crazy. And we have the username right down here, which is of course like very inconvenient, and it's really bad, and it shouldn't happen. We should prevent the user from actually accessing our login and register while we have sessions. Okay, we should prevent this, and this is actually really simple. All that you gotta do is go ahead to the login right down here and go at the top, go set session username. So we're basically saying that right down here at the login page, if we have a session with the username, we are gonna go ahead and head to the header and head to the index page, because of course we already have the session, so we can go to the index page. We cannot go to the login.php page. And of course, to head to the index page, we need to take those. Of course, we need the location first. And /index.php and save, and we can take this line, copy it, and of course we don't need the register page either. Okay, we save. We go down here. If we now refresh, can see that we're actually going back to the index page. Let's go ahead and try to access the register page directly. auth/register, and now we're going back right over again to the index.php page. Okay, so everything is working fine. We have like 4 links down here if we already have the session on. But if we press logout, you can see that we're going back to the index once more, and we need like the home down here. We cannot leave this as that. We of course need the header, whether we have the sessions or whether we're logged in or not. So if we grab the session, if we grab the home and put it right down here and save, refresh, you can see that we have the home down here. If we go ahead and log in again, can take this email maybe. We go to the login, can see that we're logged in, and we also have the home down over here. Okay, so everything is working fine. I guess this is it for this part. The login and the register are like 99% done. Everything 99.9% done. So yeah, everything is working great, and see you on the next video.